we're having a farm stand. So just last minute this morning, we decided to set up some tables out here in the driveway and sell some of the extra produce so none of it goes to waste, because we don't have time to preserve some of it right now. So got out here, set up some tables, went out and harvested a bunch of stuff, got it all cleaned up, and should have taken some pictures and recorded this morning because we've actually sold quite a bit. So we've just got a little bit left here. We didn't harvest everything. We can go out and get some more if we need it. But we just wanted to give people the opportunity to get some good produce, and we just put a little bit out on social media. Angela did, sent some text messages, and we've gotten a lot of good stuff in the hands of some great people, and we want to say thank you to them for that. And hopefully everybody enjoys, and maybe we'll do this more often.